Climb to the top. Mastering the phrase, top the leaderboard. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard in games, competitions, or any performance-based activity: top the leaderboard. Whether you're a gamer, a sports enthusiast, or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's unpack the meaning, use, and origin of this competitive phrase together. To top the leaderboard means to be at the very top of a list that ranks participants based on their performance, achievements, or scores. Leaderboards are common in video games, sports, and various competitions, where individuals or teams are ranked against each other. When someone tops the leaderboard, it signifies that they have outperformed all others in that specific context, achieving the highest rank or score possible. Let's break down the phrase. Top, used as a verb here. Top means to surpass or exceed. It implies being higher than something else, especially in rank or degree. The leaderboard. A leaderboard is a list or chart that displays the leaders in a competition. It's a visual representation of who's winning or performing the best. Combining these, when you top the leaderboard, you are surpassing everyone else in the competition, making it to the number one spot. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Gaming. After hours of playing, Jenna finally topped the leaderboard in her favorite online game. Sports. The team worked hard all season and topped the leaderboard, securing their place in the finals. Academics or professional settings. With her innovative research, Dr. Smith topped the leaderboard for the most cited scientist in her field this year. It symbolizes excellence, hard work, and the achievement of being the best among peers. Topping the leaderboard is not just about being first. It's a testament to determination, skill, and sometimes, strategy. In many cultures, this concept is celebrated and highly valued. Variations of this phrase include leading the pack, being at the top of the charts, or ranking number one. Each variation emphasizes the achievement of being at the pinnacle of success in a competitive setting. We hope this exploration of the phrase, top the leaderboard, enriches your understanding of English expressions related to competition and achievement. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step towards fluency. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful world of English. Keep learning, keep climbing, and who knows, maybe you'll top the leaderboard in your language learning journey. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning!